Your boy right here with the birds. Check him out. Call that boy Birdman. Interesting.
Kind of like birdcraft. Not for me.
Call that boy Birdman right here. Call that boy Birdman in the building. How did you get the birds used to you?
You know, I think it's just, there's a leader, I believe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and he started getting real familiar, and then the others, I think, just got confident.
Oh, okay, there it is.
That's my guess.
Yeah.
It's because it really started with just one of them flying up with a hat.
Oh, okay.
And then
Awesome.
nobody else would do that for months.
Exactly.
And then bingo, all of a sudden, it became a competitive zone up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is this company?
Awesome stuff, man.
Yeah,
That's
it's kind of interesting.
it's a great art right there.
So I've got some great photos, and I'm sure people get great photos that come by.
Yeah. That's
Especially
nice.
when they're in action.
Yeah, I don't take
Exactly. Enjoy, man. It's
Yeah,
good.
me too.
It's good stuff.